Have you ever heard of an animal that can kill with its own eyesight? Or have you ever worried about an insect that can chop your legs? I know I have. And that's why I'm here. I'm Nigel Sarcastic, naturalist and hunter of the most dangerous species in the whole world. I'm right here, where I am now, where things are more dangerous than you've ever known. Creatures that can kill you so badly. You know that feeling. Welcome to Nigel's Crikey Dangerous Animals. Alright, let's go find some. Crikey, awesome! You see here, this is one of the poisonous bogs in the world. It's called the blue bog. But it's not just any dangerous bog. It's the Crikey dangerous bog. You see, this here is the only way life can get out of the pool. This is called a boggy board. Can't be affected by the acid. Right here you can see animals that haven't made it, even trying to climb up. How's that? Makes me tear up a little bit. Next it was time to find some insects. I'm trying to look for some in the high grass right here. I think I found one. See right here, this is a druggy bug. Many people mistake it when they hear pill bugs. They think, oh, that's a great way to, get high on drugs and stuff. But this one, when you eat it, it makes you go insane and do some pretty zany stuff. Now, I know this might be very stupid, but, most naturalists are pretty stupid and stuff, but you might try this booger out. This specimen, oh, sorry about the earlier thing, giving to madness and stuff almost killed my cameraman, but this species is it's called the cuckoo slug. It gives a dangerous pee when attacked by predators. You see, it uses it to lay, when it pees on trees, and that way it's like a form of acid that burns through the trees and lets them lay their eggs in. And I've heard tales about these things like killing children when they're going fishing and stuff. It's definitely not good. Ow! Ow! Alright, let's go. Oh my goodness! Get a view of this, cameraman. It's a rare sight. It's a cockatrice. I've heard about these things through bedtime stories. I can't look at those eyes. We need to get better equipment. Come on, cameraman. Let's go. You can see I have special eye protection to prevent me from this beautiful cockatrice male right here. Those eyes, they can turn you into complete stone. I've never heard what stone is, but I usually prefer it to be marble because that way it can be made like a statue. Now, see, these feathers are just absolutely magnificent. Look at those feathers. Actually quite nice right now. Cameraman? I think that's the end of the shot. I'm pretty sure. Cameraman? Hello? Well, it's been a pleasure with you guys. Till next time, this is Nigel's Crikey Animal Adventures. Till next time.